Hello, this is a quick video to show how to find the polygon counts in Blender. Firstly, we can open this menu, Overlays, and check the box status. Show the number of objects and the vertex, edges, faces, and triangle are shown here. Now, if you don't like this position, we can go to the bottom bar and right click to show the scene's statistics here. So the numbers are showing here. There's another way to show the statistics in the bottom bar. Go to Edit and Performance and Interface and Status bar to show the scene's status. Now is only one cube here. If there is another object in the scenes, like adding Suzanne and adding a sphere, there's 3 polygon here. So if we wanted to show the Suzanne only, we click the Ctrl I to select inverse and H to show the Suzanne only. So now the statistics is showing the Suzanne only. And then if we wanted to go back to Alt H to show all the things here. This is the video about the polygon counts in Blender. Thank you for watching. Welcome to subscribe this channel, and more video will be shared with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.